guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Superbwigs Hair Company. Once more, same packaging as usual. That's how it looks. So let's go ahead and see what we got in today's box. So as I open the box, I see the wig. I also got an elastic band, a scrunchie, and a wig cap. That's everything. Today's wig, guys, what we got is a it's their new 360 lace front wig. So it's with this wig that I got today, right? It's their upgraded hairline. It's the clean upgraded hairline, and it is a 360 wig, so you know, perfect to go in a bun. And I'm not gonna lie, I really feel like I do a updo for today's look, because I mean, I haven't done one of those in like forever. So that's what I want to do. So one good thing that, you know, they pointed out with their wig, the new and improved hairline, is the fact that, you know, normally it's handmade, right? The whole process of making this wig and stuff. So what they pointed out is that with the knots, usually they put like 3 to 4 hairs in a hole, but for this specific look they only did like 1 to 2 strands. So I guess that gave it a more realistic look. You know, the wig can look flat and overall just more natural. So that's really good. And listen, with a nicely pre-plucked hairline like this, I would not go in any further to like pluck, because it's delicate. Of course, with these more realistic lace front wigs, it's gonna look more natural, and the lace is gonna be thinner and stuff, so you don't want to like tug at it too much, because you don't want to tear the lace and all of that stuff. So yeah, so in terms of the inside of the wig, this is how it looks, right? It has a total of 4 combs on the inside. It even has an extra elastic band, you know, for extra security, and it has adjustable straps in the back if you need to make it tighter. So as I said, I feel like I'm gonna attempt to do a updo for today's wig look. This is curly, by the way. Did I tell you the texture of this wig is curly? And I'm going to put the length and the density, all that good stuff, in my description box, so please check that out. Also, the direct link will be there for you guys to check it out, so go ahead and check on that. Yeah, so now that I show you the wig and I explain a little bit about it and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and start installing this. Guys, so this is how it's looking. I cut away the excess lace on the back portion of the wig. So personally, you could go ahead and like apply glue, which that's what I feel like I'm going to do. You know, it takes a little bit more effort to do like a updo like this, but as I say, the hairline looks so good, like so good. This is how the back is looking. So I wipe away any, you know, residue that might be in the back, just like I would do for the front. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my glue and I'm gonna apply it to where I want it to go. You want to ensure that it's key to ensure that like you measure the hairline, like the wig hairline with your hairline properly, and make sure everything is sitting comfortably, so that, you know, it looks good when you are finished with application. Always feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, 'cause know the drill. It looks so good, guys. Like literally so good. Is looking so good. You see that facelift? That's why I'm like doing a nice glue install, because I just love the way it lifts that the brow area and everything. It looks so good. So now I'm just cutting away the excess lace. Look at that, so nicely melted. Don't be afraid of falling, falling, 'cause you know we gon' fly. As you can see, as I said in the initial portion of the video, I really feel I'm gonna be doing my swoops, you know, but I want to make it a little bit more extra. So that's what I am working on now. So for instance, here, you see, hair could like do with a little less plucking. So that's why I said I don't recommend, like, when you get these really detailed pre-plucked wigs, to go in and pluck them any further, because they're already like really plucked. So like right here now, I could go in and, like, you know, fill it out with like some liner, or if you have like the, you know, black hairspray, you could go in and like go over that area. So I'm just doing my regular, and then I'm gonna use my flyaway tamer to kind of just get everything ready. Ooh, I love the look of this. It's so snatched. Don't be afraid of falling, falling, 'cause you know we gon' fly. 'Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling, 'cause you know we gon' fly. 'Cause we be on a top floor. That is the finished look. It's looking so bomb. I decided to do this little, you know, top ponytail. It's so cute. The quality of this wig is really, really nice. I would definitely, like, 10 out of 10 recommend this. Like, if you're looking for a really nice 360 bomb clean pre-plucked hairline, this is your wig. This is your wig. The curls are really nice. I never even apply any product to it, just because I know that I was going to do this updo. If you want to bun it, look at that. That is cute. That's too nice. Superbwigs, yeah. It's lit. Definitely there was shedding. I must point that out. There was shedding, so be mindful of that. It wasn't like excessive, but it's definitely there. So that's one thing I noticed. The dense, I feel like for a 360 wig, and if you're definitely going to do like a updo look, I feel like this, the density and everything, the length, it's all perfect, because you don't want it to be too heavy and stuff like that. You want it to be nice and laid, easy to put up. Oh, it looks so natural, so natural. So shout out to Superbwigs once more. Yeah, I didn't have to use any makeup to like help camouflage it or anything, but yeah, sometimes you do end up using the makeup if you want it to be like super snatched. But for how it is right now, I'm pretty cool with it. I'm pretty cool with it. This is perfect to wear to the gym, especially since now that I've been doing this glue, like whenever I wear my wigs more, it definitely goes when I wear it to the gym, because I tie it down so good with my headband, and I really love the glue that I've been using. So the hairstyle and then everything just goes perfect with, like, for me to like wear it to the gym then basically. So yeah, it's a really cute look, and that's it for today's wig look. That is it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my description box as mentioned before, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, oh, don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel. You know, your girl is constantly uploading over there long vlogs, nothing but long vlogs, nothing but vibes. It's lit. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.